What's going on, my fellow dogs? And we're back with another GTA video. Stunt race, oh yeah. And it is snowing on GTA, so let's hit 5 likes if you want me to do a video on the snowing. And I've just bought the new Truffo Custom, that's the Bugatti, and the Comet Custom. So if you want to see them, smash that like button and we will do another video on them. So anyways, yep, I haven't been doing daily videos, I'm a bit lazy. Oh yeah, here's the new, called Neil. Anyways, yeah, and it's good. And you can only place £1,000 in it now. It used to be 10,000, don't know. But anyways, yeah, we're doing this race and we're going to see if we can get first place in the new custom car. And it should be fun. Now we just need to wait for this. 3, 2, 1. The dogs! Right, this is for Team Dogs, this race. If we lose this, it's all over. And I will be very sad. So anyways, this car looks so beautiful. So beautiful. So let's hope we shall win this. What? Oh yeah, I guess it's not. Oh whatever. Yes, got a boost. Let's do this. Well, I would have thought it's called me faster, you know what I mean? Shoot. Oh, what? What? I thought I'd just slide off that wall. No. Oh my god, I'm an idiot. Oh, this is bad. Please hit that. You must be kidding with me. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Oh, wow. This is just great. Here I come saying, jinxing it. Oh, I'm going to come first place. And this is what happens. Oh, snap. Oh, you must be joking. What is life? Oh, God. What is life? I just feel like rage quitting. But I won't. Okay, any guys, go check out my friends Max YT. Check out his channel, and Louis YT. Don't go try and some people won't know how to spell Louis' name. It's LOUIS YT, capitals. Same for Max, capital MAXYT, capitals. Not all of it. The A and the X aren't capitals. Anyways, go check out them guys. And me and Louis might do a video with him. And I've been watching Jelly and Clever Cop and Robust. And they did the Coke and Mentos challenge in their mouth. And I definitely want to do that. So keep tuned for that. Go follow me on Instagram. That's laydog, 2 G's, _dot. And this car is so nice. Boop, 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 boopity boop. Oh, risky, risky. Nice. Come on, don't fail me. Let's do this. Come on. Nice. She'll be coming around the corner as she. No! Come on, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, what are you doing, lady dog? What are you doing with your life? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh no. Will we land this? Holy crap. We might. We might. Oh, come on, control it. Oh. Don't know if that counts or not, and I'm stuck. Wow. Don't know if that counts as a land. Hope it does, because that was just amazing. Ah, DNF king for me. Wish we could have finished that. These dogs, smash that like button. Let's hit 5 likes on this videos, and I'll see you dogs next time. Goodbye.